What's going on, everyone? Today we are at Hollywood Studios, and it's been a really long time since we've actually been here at Hollywood Studios.
It's been a few weeks.
It has been. I think like the last time we were here, it was just like for the night. It was only like maybe an hour or two. And we pretty much spent, no, we didn't even spend that much time in like Toy Story Land. That's what I thought we were doing.
We were here for like an hour and a half the last time we were here, so it's been a while.
So today, basically all we're doing is just hitting some of the big rides because we haven't been here in a while. And just trying to have a good time. And if this audio sounds funny, it's because we're trying a different mic that's different than the Sony, so.
So first stop is going to be Tower of Terror because I actually got some fast passes this afternoon. So
She did.
We are going this way. So we just rode Tower of Terror for the first time in forever, literally. And I just love Tower of Terror. I like to scream. Maybe that's why I like the ride. But anyway, we're now gonna do Rock and Roller Coaster because I happened to get fast passes back to back. And we showed up here at Hollywood Studios at the end of our Tower of Terror fast pass. That way we could go straight to Rock and Roller Coaster after without having to modify or anything. And then we have a fast pass for Alien Swirling Saucers after this. But I am going to try and modify and see if I can get, hopefully, Slinky Dog. Probably not. But I got my fingers crossed. But I'm going to go rock and roll right now. You coming, Josh? Let's go. Not sure if you've noticed this so far in this vlog, but I got some new ears, and guess what? I actually made them myself. I am pretty proud of myself. I actually just watched a bunch of videos and read some posts and figured out how to make them my own little way. Let me know in the comments below what you think of my Star Wars ears that I made myself.
So it has definitely been a while since Taylor and I have been here. Look at this. They've got all these walls up over here, and I'm sure that this is probably old news and somebody else has already showed this, but we haven't been here in forever to see this. So if you don't know, this is what is coming is the new like Mickey's. What is this ride called, Taylor?
Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I had ice in my mouth. It's Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
But yeah, so they have the walls up, so they're obviously doing something on the other side. Hopefully they're not, you know, changing any of the...
They're not supposed to be changing any of this.
Yeah,
so.
Hopefully none of this is getting damaged over there. Because these, not these same tiles, but similar tiles are over on the other side of the wall. But pretty cool. Definitely shows that there's progress coming. It looks like, I bet they're just redoing the entrance right here for the new ride. Okay, creeper. So it doesn't actually look like anything has really changed in here at Toy Story Land. They still have all the umbrellas up over here coming out of Slinky Dog's Dash coaster, which is nice to give everybody in the standby line someplace to stand. But they still need a lot more shade. There's really no shade for anybody to get out of the sun whenever it's really hot out.
Zoom out!
All right, it is time to ride Alien Swirling Saucers. I got the title right that time. I got it right. You'll never hear me use the acronym that everybody else uses for this one.
But people have made shirts.
They have made shirts. So we're gonna give this ride another chance. I think we rode it once already.
I've been on it a couple times.
I've only been on it once. We stood in the standby line, I think.
We did, and it took forever.
It took a really long time. I think we have to go this way.
Broke down.
Let's go
well,
this
we
way.
have to go around them.
All right. Look at this. They're actually doing like these like little kid games over here for all the kids, which is really cool. It's a great addition to the land.
I'm a kid.
I don't think they win any prizes though.
I don't care if I win a prize.
You can't come to Toy Story Land without checking out the construction of Star Wars Land. It's definitely coming along.
These are the guards from the door at Pizza Planet. They like go like this every time somebody comes in and out.
Insert clip now.
You are clear to enter. Welcome to Pizza Planet.
Riding Alien Swirling Saucers, and even though the ride is like super short and like nothing super special, I always have a really good time on it.
It is fun.
It's hilarious.
It
like,
is.
I crack up so hard when Josh and I like slam into each other.
Yeah. I think it is probably a better ride to do at nighttime.
Oh my gosh,
with all the lights on. We haven't actually done it at night, but I have.
I came and live streamed one night and I got to ride it at night, but I didn't get to get awesome B-roll of it all lit up and everything.
Yeah.
So we do need to come back at night and get some cool shots. And for Josh to experience it. So
there's a lot of things I don't get to experience anymore.
Yeah. I definitely prefer Slinky Dog over Alien Swirling Saucers, but
well, of course.
It's much easier to get a fast pass. Josh is helping a kid with a trash can.
That's helping a kid throw something away.
Yeah, but it's so much easier to get a fast pass for Alien Swirling Saucers. I got it for like this evening and I was able to modify it and get it down.
Yeah.
So we just ran into a family as we were getting off the ride with their daughters, Michaela and Caitlin. It was nice meeting you guys.
Yeah. Thanks for stopping us and saying hi. We appreciate it.
Yeah, and don't ever be afraid to stop and say hey to us real quick when we're walking through the parks or whatever.
Yeah, even if we're like, you know, videoing or whatever,
Yeah,
it's
on
not a
the
big
move.
deal.
I don't think we have any fast passes left.
We don't. I think we're gonna go home and make food to eat because I'm starving.
Josh is like dying for some spaghetti with Del Grosso's spaghetti sauce, which is from central Pennsylvania.
Yeah. And meatballs in.
I am gonna check the app real quick and just see if I can get any more fast passes before we leave.
We're out of here.
Yes, I am.
All right, so I'm sure that we're late to this as well, but check this out. So you have the gondola system that's going up, but they have these gates and the fence up over here with the green scrim. So this whole area has actually been closed. You actually have to walk out here to get to any of the buses and actually get back to the parking lot and for the tram pickup. Right now we are walking out around, this is normally, the buses would come in and the bus stops are like right here. So we're actually walking out around the bus stops, down the street, and then we're actually gonna go up here and we're gonna make a right, and that'll take us back out to the parking lot. If you are staying on property and you're taking a Disney bus, you're actually gonna continue going straight. So here's the sign. So as you can see, parking for regular, well not for regular, but you know what I mean. So parking is over here to the right. That's where Taylor's going. And all the buses are straight back. So my guess is that this is just more parking updates coming to the lot to try and make things a little bit more streamlined, I guess. Just something to keep in mind the next time you come to Hollywood Studios. If you are driving and parking, I would just say you walk, because it's really kind of more of a waste of time to take the tram, because the tram only takes you to where the drop-off and pickup is for Uber and Lyft and things like that. And it's really not, you're really not going to save yourself any more time.
Yeah, it doesn't take you clear up to the security checkpoint like it used to.
Yeah.
Just with all the construction going on.
Okay, so right here is the drop-off for Uber, Lyft, taxis, whatever. And right here is where you are going to get picked up and dropped off for the tram for the rest of the parking lot. So even if you're parking towards the back, they're only going to bring you up and drop you off right here, and then you're going to have to get off and still walk this whole walkway back out around. Like I said, I'm sure we're late on that update, but I just want to say the vlog is now over.